Guys, thanks once again for watching in our tutorials. Remember, this is ITAU, the only place where you can get quality and best ICT information. And as a friend, please do subscribe and call in more people to watch, like, and learn more. So last time in our topic, in our tutorial, we stopped at part 3, where we were looking at basically the basic editing two features, where we had bullets, alignment, and numbering, indenting, line spacing, paragraph spacing, and so on. So last time we ended at looking at indenting, I think. No, we stopped at line spacing, and this time we're going to be looking at paragraph spacing. We said line spacing is the difference between the first line and the second line as you're writing. The space between the first line, second line, third line, and so on. So paragraph spacing this time is the difference between your first paragraph, second paragraph, third paragraph, and so on. So let me assume this is my first paragraph. I get another paragraph. Let me assume after pressing enter, I paste it there, and I have another paragraph. So I have three paragraphs. Paragraph 1, okay, let me assume that's paragraph 1. I have paragraph 2, but they don't number paragraphs. Let me not number them, I think. Okay, so I have three paragraphs, paragraph 1, 2, and 3. So I want to space them as I'm told. So I highlight all of these paragraphs as they are. I come back here where you see line spacing, or not so, I can go here for more options, show paragraph options. Okay, are we together? You come where you see spacing, okay, so we have lines and this. So you come where you see spacing, then you come to line spacing, make it single. Are we together? Then after, you come where you see this word called after. Okay, you can just type in, for example, space your paragraphs at 2 or 3 lines. Then you say okay, so these are 3 lines being skipped per paragraph. Then I can say more options. I can make them make it at 10, so it is skipping 10 lines per paragraph. Then I can add more line spacing options. Try to go to 1, but 1 will make your lines in the paragraph also be spaced. So I advise you not to use this one. Don't use, or can either use at least, but don't use these two at least, they will disorganize you. So try to use single, then you change here as you want. You can also play around. This one will disorganize you if you say multiple, so don't use multiple. Also it will disorganize you, it will put lines between. So I advise you to use single, then you decide how many PTs you want to change. Let's look at 20, and I say okay, so it's like it is skipping small 20 lines at 1.0. okay, are we together? So it is skipping those lines. So that's the paragraph spacing. Are we together? So if it comes in a paper, don't get this organized. That is one way of paragraph spacing. 2, we are going to last look at text highlighter. Let us paste our work here still. Remember, in the Bible, long ago you used to read the Bible, and a good verse, you would highlight that text with a color, or you would use a line to highlight that I have read here, and it has really inspired me. So also Microsoft Word has what they call the highlight feature, which allows you to highlight any given text. For example, permissions for this document is currently restricted. I may want to highlight the word restricted. So I click here, go to the font tab, click where you see this one here, this, then you select. They are usually less highlight colors, they are less. So I can say I want to highlight with black or this color or red. You see, I have highlighted. I can also highlight the whole of this one here with the red. Then I can highlight this one with another color, green. I can highlight this one with black. So don't get confused if you don't see your text. That means you're highlighting black on black. It's like you've written with blue and you're using a blue marker still to erase. So if you highlight with black, you change the text color to white, because white reflects on black. So that's what they call highlight color. So please don't get confused when those come. Try to use them and try to apply them. Thanks for watching part 4 of our basic editing features. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, call more to watch. We love you all. Keep it ITAU. ICT is fun.